If you suffer from itchy eyes due to allergies, you may find relief in using eye itch relief drops. These drops contain an antihistamine called Ketotifen, which works to block the natural substance histamine that causes allergic symptoms. Additionally, these drops act as a mast cell stabilizer, reducing the release of natural substances that cause allergic reactions. It is recommended to use these drops as directed by your doctor, typically 1 drop in each affected eye twice a day. For the best results, it is advised to use the drops at the same time each day. When using the over-the-counter product, make sure to carefully read all the directions on the package before using the medication. If your doctor has prescribed this medication, it's important to use it exactly as directed. You should apply 1 drop to the affected eyes as directed by the package instructions or your doctor, usually twice a day, every 8 to 12 hours. The dosage will depend on your medical condition and how you respond to the treatment. To apply the eye drops, be sure to wash your hands first. Avoid touching the dropper tip or letting it touch your eye or any other surface to prevent contamination. If you wear contact lenses, it's important to ask your doctor if you can continue wearing them while using this medication. If your doctor says it's okay, remove your contact lenses before using the eye drops and wait at least 10 minutes after each dose before putting them back in. When applying the eye drops, tilt your head back, look upward, and pull down the lower eyelid to create a pouch. Hold the dropper directly over your eye and apply 1 drop in the lower eyelid. Look downward and gently close your eyes for 1 to 2 minutes while applying gentle pressure at the corner of your eye to prevent the medication from draining out. Try not to blink or rub your eye. After each use, be sure to replace the dropper cap and keep the bottle tightly closed. If you are using another type of eye medication, wait at least 5 minutes before applying it, and always apply eye drops before eye ointments to allow the eye drops to enter the eye. It's important to use this medication regularly as prescribed by your doctor in order to get the most benefit from it. Try to use it at the same times each day to help you remember. Continue using the medication until pollen season is over or you are no longer exposed to the allergic substance, even if your allergic symptoms improve. If your condition persists or worsens, if you develop new symptoms, or if you think you have a serious medical problem, seek medical help right away. If you are using non-prescription Ketotifen to treat yourself, consult your doctor if your itching worsens or lasts more than 72 hours, as you may need a different medication. Some common side effects of eye itch relief drops may include burning, stinging, or irritation of the eye, as well as a headache, stuffy or runny nose, a bad taste in your mouth, or increased sensitivity to light. These effects should be reported to your doctor or pharmacist if they persist or worsen. However, many people using this medication do not experience serious side effects, as the benefit of relief from eye itching outweighs the risk of side effects. If you experience dry eyes, eye pain, increased redness or swelling of the eye, or vision problems, it is important to notify your doctor immediately. While a severe allergic reaction to this drug is rare, seek medical help if you notice symptoms such as rash, itching or swelling of the face, tongue, or throat, severe dizziness, or trouble breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects, so it is important to contact your doctor or pharmacist if you notice any other effects not listed. It is important to take this medication as directed by your doctor for the best results. If you have any concerns about the side effects or usage of this medication, consult your healthcare provider for further guidance. Before using eye itch relief drops, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist if you are allergic to Ketotifen or any other ingredients in the drops. It's important to be cautious if you have any eye problems, such as glaucoma. After applying the drops, your vision may be temporarily blurry, so avoid activities like driving or using machinery until your vision clears up. It's also important to note that these drops should not be used in children under 3 years old unless directed by a doctor. If you are pregnant, only use these drops if absolutely necessary and discuss the risks and benefits with your doctor. Additionally, it's unknown if the drug passes into breast milk, so consult your doctor before using these drops if you are breastfeeding. When using eye itch relief drops, it is important to be aware of potential drug interactions that could affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's crucial to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription/non-prescription drugs and herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines. If this medication is ingested, it can be harmful. If an overdose occurs and there are severe symptoms like fainting or difficulty breathing, call 911 immediately. Otherwise, contact a poison control center right away. In the U.S., you can reach out to your local poison control center at 1-800-222-1222. If you are in Canada, contact a provincial poison control center. It is important to not share this medication with others. In addition to using the eye itch relief drops, it is also recommended to avoid allergens such as pollen and animal dander, as well as other triggering factors like irritants. Cold compresses and lubricating eye drops can also help decrease eye irritation. If you happen to miss a dose of the eye itch relief drops, you can use it as soon as you remember. However, if it's close to the time of your next dose, it's best to just skip the missed dose and continue with your regular schedule. Do not take a double dose to make up for the missed one. It's important to use the drops consistently as directed. Remember to store the eye itch relief drops at room temperature. If you are using the single-dose container, make sure to discard it after use. Also, discard any unused single-dose containers for weeks after you first open the blister pack, or 3 months after opening if you store them in the original carton box. Keep all medications away from children and pets. It's important not to flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Make sure to properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. If you have any questions about how to dispose of the eye itch relief drops, consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the U.S., you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.